Okay, we are on the Fantasy for the Maritime Christmas Cruise. Actually going over Christmas.
With a double dip castaway.
Double dip castaway. Stateroom 9540. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. It's Christmas everywhere. I'll do the room thing later. Oh my gosh. Look at. Here's, oh, the blankets. We get the both blankets. This is the Christmas package. Yes, I know. Stuff hanging everywhere. Okay, so let's do the room tour. All right, we had to see all that fun stuff because it's new. All right, so we have our closets in here and the life vest, which we are in muster station J. Plenty of hangers. There is a safe down here. Always put all our stuff in there. Always put our stuff in there. Any jewelry, money, wallets. Here's, oh, we do have a bunk bed. This is the ladder for the bunk. Faith's gonna be happy. Little extra storage for shoes and stuff. Or put your luggage right there. Do you have the card for the bathrooms? All right, we're working on the card, so I'll go somewhere else in the video. All right, so here is some extra storage, and they have these on everything pretty much, so if it gets rough, it doesn't fall over or fall off. We have some water cups, some extra places to put your clothes and whatnot. Nice little lamps for the side of the bed. We have some USB ports right there with our clock. All right, looks like I can get into the restrooms now. All right, so here is the split bathroom. You can hang, you know, maybe like bathing suits up in here. Some toiletries on both sides here. You have your H2O spa facial soap, potty. That's usually the room where we do like the makeup or whatever if we wear it. And here is the shower. You have a nice big mirror that you can look at when you're getting ready. Your nice towels with the little touch of Disney on there. Here is your lotion. Comes in the little squirt thing now. A little towel for makeup removal. And some extra little washcloths. That special little spot in the mirror for close-ups. Got another sink. Here is your shower curtain with special Mickeys. Both. Could actually be mini because it does kind of look like a bow. And you have the rest of your stuff to wash your hair, condition, and you have body wash. And the dispensers are good because it, you know, they're helping with the environment by not using the plastic tubes, which, you know, a lot of people aren't happy with, but yeah, we have no issues. So here's the bed. This is a queen size bed. And as you see, we are all decorated and everything's hanging out for Christmas. Another lamp. Switches for the lights. Our phone. Another little drawer down there. So this little sofa bed here that's covered up with all this Christmas joy actually kind of comes out to a little bed. And Faith's bed will be up here. It just drops down out of the ceiling. So we have the TV, which moves out and around. You can put it pretty much any direction you want. More places to put stuff. This is where we kind of store everything. Your fridge, where we store our beer, which we need to get the beer in here. Kind of a desk. You can sit down here. They have pen and paper and envelopes and postcards. Your little wave phones, which they should get rid of those. I really don't need them. This is special for a hairdryer outlet, which I always bring my own. And then some more ports here. Little USB ports here. Another large cabinet and some more drawers down here. Oh God, this is awesome. Look, it says Happy Holidays. All right, and here is the veranda. Let's open this up. It's pretty windy today, so we have our little chairs here. The last cruise we did, we had the extended veranda, so this is really tiny for us. Oh, so we got kind of an obstructed view. So this was our room that they gave us, which is fine. We could still see. Another chair, table. We come out here in the morning and have our coffee. I kind of like it being a little obstructed because it just kind of keeps it a little more private. And there's the Norwegian breakaway and the Disney port here. Alright, so I think we're done. Hope everybody enjoys it. Maritime cruise. Here we go.